na siya. Some oil. Guys, few onions pala. And salt. Tomato paste. We make ay base na. Sabi nila, much better raw na pinihit ang tomato paste. Pwede rin namang ketchup, pero I prefer tomato paste. And let's put some...
Ano po? Ang paasit?
Sweet. Kaya tinawag yung sweet and sour. I like pepper. Pero kung gusto nyo, just little bit pepper.
White pepper yun.
Yeah, white pepper. As I mentioned, mahilig ako sa pepper. Kaya ako nakapansin yun. Marami. You can less naman. Ay, yung brown sugar, depends sa sweetness preference ninyo. But now, I just put 2 tablespoons of sugar. Put half of the masarap. Not all naman kasi unti lang eh. Half or quarter. But I prefer siguro quarter. Ay. Ayan. Tapos pag nag-boil na siya, we can put na the like yung sunatay natin, yung vegetables na ginawa natin earlier. Once nag-boil na siya, then let it simmer for yung we saute the this veg. So we will put sesame oil. I like sesame oil. Love it. Love the aroma and taste of this. Just 3 tablespoons of yan. Para naman incorporate yung lasa ng Chinese. Then we put some white pepper. I put this one some white pepper. Some white pepper. Just around 1/4 teaspoon or 1/4 tablespoon since this will be a tablespoon. I love pepper kaya masyadong marami naglagay. Pero usually like then we put some fish patis. Pero pwede rin salt. Salt na lang siya. Salt. Some salt. Just this much. Since mayroon naman siyang sauce. Then also, around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Kasi ang ginamit ko is iodized kaya just around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we can also put some this Maggi sarap. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yan. Pero if you don't like, pwede naman wala. Pwede rin MSG. Pwede wala rin. Pwede meron. Much better kung na-marinate nyo ito ng mga ilang minuto pa. Mga 10 or 30 minutes. Kaya lang kami. Ito na itong ilan. Kasi sa requirements pulutan na rin. So usually mini-marinate ko 30 minutes before I cook. But since we don't have enough time kasi may work pa ako na. So we'll cook na. Then we just dip it in egg. Scrambled egg and then dip in a breadcrumb. If you don't have a breadcrumb, you can use flour together with the cornstarch. You just mix the two of them. But if you do a breadcrumb, mas lesser yung time ng preparation. Meron kang breadcrumbs. Pero gagawin ko ng breadcrumbs. So, prepare na yung egg natin. Yung egg mixture natin, sir, you can put Maggi sarap and white pepper pa rin. Diba? Love na love ko ang pepper. Lahat ng pepper. Kasi maganda rin naman sa katawan ng pepper. Sabi nga nila, there's a benefit in using a pepper. Sabi nila, it can burn your fats sa iyong tummy. At yung iba, naglalagay na milk dito kasi nagpapalasa siya. Pero ako, ayoko. Ayoko ng milk. So, where's the white pepper? I'll put white pepper again. Kasi, alam na. Love kong pepper. Tapos i-dip na natin siya sa breadcrumbs. Preparing our oil. Kasi madali naman na. Once we dip the fish fillet on the bread and the breadcrumbs, madali na siya. So when we are preparing our fish, more oil, much better. Sarap. Madali siyang maluto at the same time. Yung pagkakaluto niya is perfect. Gusto ko yung lasa nito and saka yung mas mura siya compared to others. Yung isa rin, meron din yung crumb breadcrumbs. Mas mura rin yun. Kaya wala sa pure gold life. So, I think it's either gold life ang breadcrumb. Pero sa inyo pa rin kung gusto nyo prefer na tatak ng crumbs na bibili. Ito lang yung natrabaho ng kakit. Yung pagdikit. And afterwards, we can put it there in the breadcrumbs. Ayan. Kaya maganda yung meron kayong gloves para hindi messy. Siyempre, hygienic. And you can just fold it over some breadcrumbs. And you can have a separate thing. Kasi once na nag-init na yung fry na yung oil natin, dire-diretso ng pagluto. So, kailangan kung pwedeng ahead of time na siya ayan na. I'll just turn off the Lahat yung ayan, simple as that. Kaya mas gusto ko yung breadcrumbs. Pero kung sweet and sour, I suggest and cornstarch. Kaya lang ito, mas easier yung buhay pag breadcrumbs. Kasi madali lang maluto ang fish fillet. Unlike chicken and pork. Para to make sure na hindi siya mababurn and at the same time, naluluto siya ng rice. Or you can just simply ganun na shake. Kung may takot pa, shake na lang natin. And yeah. Now we can put na yung ating ginawang fish fillet na may breadcrumbs. Diba? Madali lang siya maluto. Just a few minutes ito na yan. Kaya nga sabi ko, you need to prepare ahead of time. Covering your fish with breadcrumbs. Okay. So, magiging diba? Ang ganda-ganda ng kulay na. It's golden. Now, it's golden brown na siya. We can, na yan. Luto na yan. So, wait yung sa fish fillet. Yun ang kainaman pag fish fillet yung ginamit mo instead of pork. Pag pork kasi and chicken, medyo matagal lutuin. Like yung fish fillet na sa kailangan marination ng chicken and pork matagal. Kasi para kasi we're just using 500 it's a low fire. Kaya medyo low fire lang po yung gamit ko. Kasi fish fillet ko. Saka para alam mo nang nanuot yung naluluto siya. Pero kung you prefer it be a golden brown, kailangan natin yung paano ibang batch. Another set of fish fillet. So, very cute. This one kami. Pagpulot-pulot tayo ng dami, diba? Kaya mas maganda lutong bahay. Yummy. So first bite. Here's your first bite.
Yes.
Natulog na siya. Bye. Wow. Good.